No, otetaan penkillä.
No, we don't have time to wait.
So this has a rare indicator down here, but okay, this is one not important one.
Yeah.
But only one. Today, here on the night of May 2025, and this is Tornipolku 11. It's only staircase.
Yeah.
TA is unnecessary.
Yeah.
So saying Gammelbacka, one of those birds for Finland. 1.5.
No, it's just normal one, but still we can take now one. But yeah.
Yeah, it's just normal inside.
Yeah.
Maybe upstairs different.
Yeah.
Built in 1974 by ValmetSchlieren, modernized in 2007. The Zembris V started 292. Rest is for cost of 20 grams, and it sounds like the power disk machine, but still with these panels.
Yeah.
And so that is a bit rare because normally with power disk should have been also in the. Here it's only the Kone logo.
Yeah.
So this is an exception, yeah?
Yeah.
It has these indicators here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, this is a bit
Yeah.
exceptional. But not interesting, but it's different.
Yeah.
You can press.
I think I pressed it.
Yeah.
Is feedback device that maintained by Kone.
Sorry. And this is also something that we can send for the lift filmers because it's an exceptional power disk.
Yeah.
It's a power disk with the regular traction modernization
Yeah.
and with the other type of indicators outside.
Yeah, and buttons also.
Mm. So even if it's not interesting, but it's different.
Yeah.
That's it. But they should have also that.
Yeah. That's